First at 6, new details in a Target 12 investigators exclusive free ride.
As we first reported, tens of thousands of motorists a year never pay the toll when they go over the Newport Pell Bridge, racking up millions of dollars in unpaid tolls, fees, and fines.
And now a bill crafted to crack down on toll scofflaws has been signed into law by the governor.
Target 12 investigator Tim White first revealed the loophole in the law in April. He joins us now with what happens next.
Officials are expecting an increase at the state traffic court because the bill the governor signed into law on Monday is also retroactive, meaning it reaches back 3 years to ensnare toll evaders. On average, 88,000 cars a year go over the Newport Pell Bridge without paying the $4 toll, according to Turnpike and Bridge Authority Executive Director Buddy Croft.
Tim, the total outstanding in violations, counting fees and fines, over a 6-year period is $9.6 million.
In just 6 years?
In 6 years.
Keep in mind, 85% of that $9.6 million is fees and fines. That means it's roughly $1.4 million in lost toll revenue. As Target 12 revealed, toll evaders got away with up to 100 free rides before the authority could haul them in to the traffic tribunal. Now the new law reduces that threshold to 20 free trips to trigger potential court action. The authority can also ask the DMV to put a freeze on license and registration renewals after 5 unpaid trips. A Target 12 review of Turnpike data found some drivers have racked up tens of thousands of dollars in unpaid tolls, fees, and fines, including one driver who has gone over the bridge 884 times for free.
Last month, the average amount owed for the people that went to the traffic tribunal, $15,000.
Wow.
That's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money.
That's a lot of ignored transits across this bridge.
A spokesperson for the Turnpike and Bridge Authority tells me they may have to increase hearings at the traffic tribunal from once to 2 times a month to handle an increase in cases. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.